In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to outline a shape here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this super easy because they have a border feature. So if we come over to Elements, then if we come to Shapes just here, as far as I'm aware, we can add an outline on all of these shapes. So if we put a square on, a star, and let's even put this heart. Now, if we move these along just like that, to add an outline is really simple. We click onto the shape, and then we come up to here to where it says border style. Now, if we click on there, we have a few different styles that we can choose from, and then we can play with the border weight. Now, we can also change the color of this outline as well to any color that we want, and we can even also add gradients on this outline as well, just like that. Now, if I go through, we can do this on all of the shapes, just like this. Now, something else you can do is actually make these shapes transparent so it only has an outline. Now, to do that, we're going to click back onto the shape, we're going to come to color just here, and then we're going to choose this one with the line going through it. If we click on there, we now have a transparent shape and with an outline. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to add an outline to a shape here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.